Narendra Modi's biography. Let's start. 50 years ago, there was a child who was 12 years old. As you can see, here are some pics. At home, his name was Narendra, and among his friends, he was called Andy. As you can see, the boy is calling his name. Once upon a time, there was a village. In that village name was Varnagar, in which Narendra Modi used to live. And due to some natural calamity, that is flood, the water level of that village rises. Because of that, many problems had occurred in that village. And in the mid of that river, there was a temple. And at the top of the temple, there was a flag. And once in a year, that flag had to be changed. But there were many crocodiles in the river, so no one had the courage to change that flag. At that time, the brave boy, whose name was Modi, jumped into the river. He swam in the river and came across some crocodiles. He fought with them and finally reached his destination and changed the flag. As you can see here, he is fighting with that crocodile. Now let's start the biography of Narendra Damodar Das Modi. Earlier, he was the Chief Minister of Gujarat, and now the people want to see Narendra Modi as the next Prime Minister of our country. As you can see, here are some pics of his youth and young age. As you can see, there are so many of them. He was also called Dabang of the Year. This is the railway station of the village where Narendra Modi used to live, that is Varnagar railway station. The first character of his biography was his great grandfather, whose name was Maganlal Ranchodar. He came there and started a business, and his business was passed to his grandfather named Mulchand. Damodar Das was his father, and he was his third son. He has two older brothers whose name was Amrit and Som, and he had a younger sister also named Vasanti, and he had two younger brothers named Prahlad and Pankaj. As you can see the names. Earlier, here the reporter is telling that his father used to sell tea in front of the station, and at that age he was only 6 years old, and he used to help his father a lot. Here his brother is telling about that story. In 1956, the Narendra Modi has two paths. One was easy and the other path was very difficult. The easy path was that he could sell the tea at the station in his full life, or the other part was that he could do something greater or bigger in his future. So he decided to choose the second path. As you can see, at that time RSS branch was also there, and the lawyer runs that. That lawyer used to come at their shop, at his father's shop every day. He joined that RSS at the age of 8. As you can see, he is picked in that uniform. Nowadays PM is living. Narendra Modi is living in PM house, but earlier he used to live in a house which was made up of brick and mud. It consists of 3 rooms. At first room they used to sleep on the floor. And at the time they did not had any refrigerator, so he kept cold water in a pitcher, and they did not had any washroom, so they created a temporary washroom or bathroom and covered it with some clothes or sari, where the women of that house used to take bath. Here Mr. Modi is telling about his struggle, that he faced many difficulties in his past, and so he is telling that he is genetically strong. In the second room there were 2 parts. At one part there was a handmade oven and a pitcher, and at the second part there was a temple. And in third room they used to keep dry goods and cow dung. Whenever his mom used to cook, the smoke was spread in the whole house. It was very dark during the daytime also, so they use lantern, and there were no windows, so there were no window and only a door which opened outside. Here his brother is telling about the story that how they used to live. His own family used to take bath in a pond, and he learned how to swim in this pond only, and become the best swimmer in his village. One day while he was swimming, he fought with a crocodile baby and caught it and brought that crocodile baby to school. Here he is telling that how he caught and brought that baby crocodile to his school, and everybody, including his teacher and his classmates, were afraid of that crocodile baby and ran away from him. As you can see, he is telling. Here it is the school where he used to study. There were no bench, and he used to sit on the ground and write on a slate. He used to wear NCC dress in his school and a black hat in the RSS branch. Whenever he was sad, he used to keep mum. Here, the reporter is telling that his friend used to call him Andy, which means Narendra Damodar Das Modi. Here, as you can see, his a friend is calling him. Whenever he got a holiday from school, he used to go to his father and help him. Here, it is the head of the library which is telling that whenever Narendra Modi used to get 1 or 2 hours free time, he used to come here, and if their family member could not find him at home or anywhere else, they knew that they could find him at the library. Sometimes he used to read 40 to 50 pages a day also. Here, his brother is telling that about that story. And he liked very much his chemistry teacher called Mr. Sir. He was very close to him. He also helped him a lot, and he used to like the chemical reaction that happens. As you can see, the reporter is telling us that. And earlier in Gujarat, one man show of Modi took place, and in Vadnagar, when he was studying in school, a drama took place, which name was Pilu Fool. As you can see, the name of that drama will come on that screen. He was the writer, director, as well as the actor in that story or a play. Here his brother is telling about that play. In that play, he was a son of an untouchable woman. In one day, he became very ill, and his mother went everywhere to find medicine but could not find it. Someone told her that if she could she could brought a yellow
No,
flower.
she could bring.
She could bring a yellow flower from the temple, then his son could be treated. But when she was not allowed to enter the temple because she was untouchable. When she returned, his child has died.
Her child, right?
Her child had died,
Right.
and everyone in the village became emotional because of his death. In second play, he played a role of Chhatrapati Shivaji Rao. One day, a saint came to his mother's house, and her mother asked the saint to check the horoscope of Som and Mr. Modi. When he checked the horoscope of Som, he told that Som would live a normal life, and Modi, if he goes to Saint field, then he would follow the path of Shankaracharya, and if he goes to politic field, then he would become a great ruler or a great ruler. Here his brother is telling about that story. As you can see, he was getting blessing from that saint. One day, another saint from different village came to the temple of the Vadnagar, and he had grown He had grown two jowar plants on his both hands, so he could not feed himself or drink water. But Mr. Modi helped him a lot. One day there was a marriage of his relative where his family told him that they will go, but he refused that offer and told them that he would serve the saint. As you can see that his brother is telling about that story, how he served that saint.
Okay.
Thank you.